In many banks and hedge funds, information is scattered across hundreds of files, and their versions are emailed back and forth between departments. That's why they want to use AI for data analysis and preparing ESG reports. It can analyze a lot of unstructured input efficiently. Unfortunately, it's not that easy. First, the amount of data we need to process is just huge. These official financial reports are massive, highly complex, and come in all kinds of formats: XML, PDFs, or HTML. Usually these files are simply too big to fit into a standard LLM context window. Second, finance is a heavily regulated world. Every single change to a report must be fully auditable, and absolute transparency is a must. On top of that, when we use AI, we have to be 100% sure it only accesses the data we want, nothing more. We need total control over data distribution. Luckily, none of these are blockers for us. Meet Verity. It's a sample app that creates a single source of truth for reports. It is running RavenDB under the hood and talks to AI model for data processing. It is using data from a SEC EDGAR database, a massive official repository containing financial statements and many other legal documents of publicly traded companies in the United States. Let me show you how Verity solves the first problem, extracting large volumes of data. So, when we download these gigantic report files, we don't clog up our active database. Here in the Verity interface, we select a company from the list, let's say Amazon, and click Fetch. Right now, the system is downloading the official Amazon report directly from the SEC EDGAR database. Using a native RavenDB feature called Remote Attachments, these massive payloads land safely in Azure Storage, while the database only manages the metadata. We all know NVMe disks in the cloud are notoriously pricey, so it seems reasonable not to waste your precious premium database storage on storing raw files, right? Here you can see Azure Functions in action. It has now opened the subscription and is loading Amazon Financial Reports data to our database. We do it in a smart way. Instead of choking the LLM with one giant file, Verity performs a scatter-gather operation. It automatically splits this massive file into smaller chunks, and AI agents extract the key data and then combine it back together. Let's click here to see more details. Here we can access the coherent AI-generated summary of our report, and it all was generated in a way that completely bypasses context window limits. So we have our report. Now it's time to tackle problem number 2, high regulatory requirements of financial environments. Like we said before, every change to the report must be fully auditable and requires absolute transparency. Let's add a manual note to the generated audit. I'll type "looks good," save it, and a moment later I'll change my mind and edit this entry. Our UI is already showing us in a green color that something new appeared in the data. To show you how this is tracked, let's switch over to RavenDB Studio. What I'm showing you right now is the native revisions feature. As you can see, every single modification I just made was precisely recorded. This proves that the entire auditing and historical tracking process is handled fully by the database itself. It required zero extra logic on the application code side. And let's take a look at the storage efficiency. Tracking every single change could easily bloat your database, but by delegating this to RavenDB, all these historical revisions are natively compressed under the hood, keeping your footprint incredibly small. Think about what happens if you ignore this. Imagine an investment firm that continuously ingests massive reports and audit summaries without any archival strategy. At first, the active database is lean, so querying it takes only milliseconds. 5 years later, and the system is choked with irrelevant, heavy data that no longer fits in fast memory. Now, that same simple query drags on for seconds. To compensate for the sluggish performance, the team is forced to upgrade to expensive cloud storage, burning their budget. And this isn't just about audit history. It's about managing the full data lifecycle. Revisions tell you what's changed and when, But what about data that's simply getting old? That's why, alongside revisions, in Verity we used a feature called Expiration to automatically delete documents when their legal retention period ends, and Data Archival to move older reports into compressed storage without burdening the active database. Expiration securely wipes outdated data in an automated way. Data Archival keeps old files accessible so our main system can run at peak speed. Let's tackle our challenge number 3, a control over data distribution. Imagine you have a third-party auditor who only needs access to 20% of Amazon's records. You can easily configure the task to replicate only the data that matches your specific criteria without sharing anything irrelevant. For that purpose, we created a second database called Verity Sync. It continuously streamed data from our main database to our read-only database using a built-in RavenDB hub sync replication tasks. A replication hub is an ongoing task designed to replicate documents to sync tasks to maintain a live replica of a database or chosen documents of it. We keep this demo simple by syncing everything, but you can set this replication to be strictly filtered. This way you can keep absolute control over your data distribution. Finally, let's look at this small command line tool. Here we can see the RavenDB feature called Data Subscriptions. This tiny app streams real-time data, showing us the progress of the GenAI tasks running in the background. After our summary is generated, we can get notified about it. The beauty of this architecture is the minimal implementation needed. Since RavenDB provides full persistence and remembers exactly where we left off, the client side remains completely stateless. It just connects and processes, letting the database do all the heavy lifting. As you can see, apps like Verity prove that with the right architecture, you can safely use LLMs even in highly regulated environments. And you get all of this while keeping a 100% audit trail, managing the full data lifecycle, and ensuring the absolute transparency that finance demands today. Hope you enjoyed the demo. If you want to test Verity with your own data, just head over to our GitHub repository. Download it, give it a try, and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.